माँ तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम.
I really enjoyed this event. It was interesting to see and listen for other musicians, other performances and performers, and to get friends with them and to dance in their music. People dancing and to see all those performances and how they're telling stories with their fingers, arms and their eyes. That's so deep and touching, and I really want to try it.
This is my first time in Chandigarh University. I would like to say the hospitality. They have taken care of us very well. The food, hospitality, everything was really good, and most importantly, everyone loves to be around us and take care of us. And the event was awesome. The crowd was lovely. We as entertainers, for us the most important thing is the people who comes to watch it. So I would say Chandigarh University proved me something else before.